Arts and Science program at Middle Bucks is an American Culinary Federation accredited program which prepares students to work in the hospitality industry, one of the fastest growing industries in the 21st century. With state-of-the-art kitchen equipment, students gain employable techniques and skills from award-winning and industry-recognized chefs. In the program, students gain hands-on experience in a fully operational restaurant while learning restaurant management and service. Successful students can also earn college advanced credits and industry certifications to propel their careers and save college tuition fees. After completing this extraordinary program, students have many available pathways, ranging from executive chef to a dietitian, or food specialist to health inspector.